What's up guys, Roll here with Good Tech, and following the launch of the Redmi Note 10 in March and the Redmi Note 10 Pro in April, Xiaomi has released yet another member of the Redmi Note 10 series, the Redmi Note 10 5G. Thinking of buying this smartphone? Just keep on watching. First up, opening up the lid, will be greeted with a smaller box that contains a SIM ejector tool, manuals, and a clear jelly case. Underneath that is the phone itself, but let's put it on the side for now. Then below that is the USB Type-C cable and a charger. Out of the box, when it comes to the design, we can immediately tell that the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G is a sleek and attractive device. It is mostly plastic, but the finish makes it look like it's made out of metal and glass. The sides are curved while the top and bottom have ridges. At 161.81mm, it is a relatively tall device, but narrow at 75.34mm. It measures 8.92mm at its thickest point, but feels slim. It is easy to grip and feels solid. The unit we have on hand is the graphite gray, but it is also offered in chrome silver, nighttime blue, and aurora green. Also at the back, you will see the camera module that houses the triple rear cameras, LED flash, and an autofocus sensor. You will also notice from this side the Redmi branding and the back panel that looks like frosted glass. It looks great, but still a smudge and fingerprint magnet, so you might want to use the case included in the package. On the front is the 6.5 inches IPS screen with FHD Plus resolution or 405 ppi and a 90Hz refresh rate. For protection, it has Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and comes with a screen protector pre-installed. It uses a hole punch for its 8-megapixel front camera, and right above it is the earpiece. Sadly, it's not a secondary speaker. Up top, we have an IR blaster and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Down at the bottom are the main microphone, USB Type-C port, and loudspeaker. On the right, there's the volume rocker and power lock button that also works as a fingerprint scanner. The buttons are clicky and solid and easy to reach. On the left is the card tray with 2 nano-sized SIMs and a micro SD card via the second slot. Moving on to the cameras, we have the protruding camera module for its triple cameras consisting of a 48-megapixel main, 2-megapixel macro, and 2-megapixel depth. We'll get into this a little deeper in our full review, but for now, here are a few sample shots that we got. Now for hardware, powering the Redmi Note 10 5G is a MediaTek Dimensity 700 with a Mali G57 GPU. Our unit has 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage configuration, and for software, it runs on MIUI 12 based on Android 11. It also has 5000 mAh battery with support for fast charging. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G is priced at 9,990 pesos for the 4GB of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage variant, and 11,490 pesos for the 8 gigs plus 128 gigs of internal storage variant. Products will be available on Lazada, Shopee, and authorized Mi stores and official retailers starting June 5, 2021. And Xiaomi will offer a one-time free LCD screen replacement on the Redmi Note 10 5G within 6 months upon purchase. So what do you guys think about the Redmi Note 10 5G? Let us know in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit youtech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Rel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.